Central Consumer Protection Authority (CCPA) issued notices to e-commerce entities offering for sale pressure cookers in violation of compulsory BIS standards. CCPA has initiated a country-wide campaign to prevent sale of spurious and counterfeit goods that violate quality control orders published by the central government. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution issued press release today 22nd November 2021. CCPA has initiated a country-wide campaign to prevent sale of the spurious and counterfeit goods that violate quality control orders published by the central government. In this regard, CCPA has already issued direction to district collectors across the country to investigate unfair trade practices and violation of consumer rights concerning manufacture or sale of such goods. Essential daily use products which have been identified for the campaign are helmets, pressure cooker and cooking gas cylinders. In furtherance to the campaign, CCPA has taken suo motu cognizances against e-commerce entities found to be selling pressure cookers in violation to the Domestic Pressure Cooker Quality Control Order 2020 issued by the central government under Section 16, Subsection 1 of the BIS Act 2016 on 21st January 2020. By the said order, domestic pressure cooker are mandated to conform to the Indian standard IS 2343 2017 and bear the standard mark under a license from BIS with effective from 1st August 2020. Under Section 2, Subsection 10, that is Clause 10 of Section 2 of Consumer Protection Act 2019, defect means any fault, imperfection or shortcoming in the quality, quantity, potency, purity or a standard which is required to be maintained by or under any law for the time being in force or under any contract express or implied or as claimed by the trader in any manner whatsoever in relation to any goods or product and expression defective shall be constituted accordingly. The pressure cookers which do not conform to the compulsory standards are liable to held defective under the Act. Also, unfair trade practice defined under Clause 47 of Section 2 of the Consumer Protection Act means and includes promoting the sale, use or supply of any goods by adopting any unfair method or unfair or deceptive practice by permitting the sale or supply of the goods intended to be used or are of a kind likely to be used by consumers knowing or having reason to believe that the goods do not comply with the standard prescribed by the competent authority relating to the performance, composition, contents, design, construction, finishing or packing as are necessary to prevent or reduce the risk of injury to the person using the goods. Rule 4, Sub-Rule 2 of the Consumer Protection E-Commerce Rule 2020 specified that no e-commerce entity shall adopt any unfair trade practice whether in course of business, on its platform or otherwise. Moreover, Section 17 of the BIS Act prohibits any person to manufacture, import, distribute, sell, hire, lease, store or exhibit for sale any such goods or article for which direction of compulsory use of a standard mark has been published by the central government under Section 16, Subsection 1. Further, Section 29, Subsection 3 and 4 stipulate that the penalty for the contravention of Section 17 and designate it as a cognizable offence. CCPA has sought response from the e-commerce entities within 7 days from the issuance of the notice, failing which necessary action may be initiated against them under the provision of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. CCPA has also written to DGBIS to take immediate cognizance of the matter and take necessary action. The pressure cooker observed to be in violation to the compulsory standard and listed on the e-commerce platform is tabulated below. First, Amazon Basic Stainless Steel. Second, Cuva 5-liter induction base aluminum pressure cooker. On Flipkart, Cuva aluminum regular 5L induction bottom pressure cooker. Pristine stainless steel 5-liter. Diamond by Fast Colors outer lid 10-liter aluminum 10-liter pressure cooker. Snapdeal about 5-liter aluminum outer lid pressure cooker without induction base. Bestech mirror finish induction stove top compatible cherry pressure cooker 5-liter. On Shopclus, Cuva aluminum regular 5-liter pressure cooker. Pristine induction base stainless steel pressure cooker 5-liter. Ethical Tri Nature pressure cooker 5-liter induction bottom stainless steel. On Paytm Mall, Pristine 5.5-liter outer lid pressure cooker induction bottom silver stainless steel set of 1. Cuva 5-liter inner lid pressure cooker induction bottom silver aluminum set of 1. Ethical cookware combos induction bottom stainless steel set of 1. This notice initiated against this service provider. Thank you so much for watching this update.